Think construction is primarily in the interior renovation of multifamily apartments. We also do a lot of MEP work and some polybutylene repiping throughout the southeastern United States.
For all intents and purposes, it's a brand new apartment. So when we get it, it's an old run apartment, just been turned over, but by the time we come in and renovate it, it's a whole new apartment.
It's a really easy process, thankfully. Basically, the resident will move out, they will turn in the keys, and then from there we hand it over to Think Construction. They hand it back when it's complete.